In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Truecaller app on your smartphone. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now to download Truecaller app, you need to use either Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone or App Store if you are using an iPhone. So for my case, I'm using an Android smartphone and therefore I'll proceed and go to Google Play Store. From here, go to the search function here and then search for the app Truecaller, and here it is. Then go ahead and tap on it. Now from here you can see you have an option to install. Go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the app and then install it on our smartphone. Now the app has been downloaded and now it is being installed on my smartphone. And look at that, now the app has been installed. From here, you can now go ahead and set up your account when you tap on open and now start using Truecaller app. So that's how you download and install Truecaller app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.